All right. Now that's done. Hello. Spring is here again, and that means that Birch Sap is available. I hope so, because I'm trying to brew my own Birch Sap wine. That's the idea anyway. So first of all, I have to find some birch trees and drill a hole and put a tube in it into a container, and then collect some sap. Maybe that'll work. I hope so. Riff. I found this birch tree actually is split in two down at the root. I don't know if there is a V shape, and I think it's okay. So my plan is to drill a hole up here and let the bucket down there. So I read that if you go a little higher than just the root, it will be much more efficient. But let's see. Let's see. Jesus. You guys gotta see this. Already you can see sap is just pouring out. Maybe it's a bit hard to see, but yeah, flowing. That's good. Onwards. Okay, so I set it up the first one, and I'll bring you along to see that it's actually working. Yay! See? I don't know if you can see it, but this right there, all the way up here, is birch sap coming through. So it's working. And this is a 10 liter. This is a 10 liter bucket. I don't expect to fill it all up, but I hope a lot will do. So, on to the next one. Yay! Now I put up at 3 places. One bucket over there, and a flask over there, and a bucket over there. 10 liters, 2 liters, and 10 liters. I'm not gonna harvest all that. I'm just harvesting about 10 liters, I guess, so I can brew my own Birch Sap wine. But now I have to secure the flask there, and I have to secure the buckets in some way. I don't know. There's not many stones or rocks here, just moss and trees. But yeah, I'll have to find some paracord and secure the 3 setups. All right. Do you want to see a neat trick? This is on the go-to handle on my rucksack. Now we got some fine paracord. Neat, right? I somewhat secured it by putting a piece of log on the bucket, and I have intermistically used the paracord to tie that up. Doesn't look pretty, but it'll work, I hope. And put a log on that bucket. But as you see, you can't see it, but it is working. So now I'll go home and check it again tomorrow. So what will happen in 24 hours? We'll see. I hope it works. See ya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta.
Let's see. About this much. So yeah, I don't know, a half a liter maybe. We let it do some more and come back again in a day or 2. See ya. Now I have collected about 7 to 8 liters of birch sap, and I'm going to plug up the holes that I drilled in the trees by tapping in some fresh birch tree and plug up the holes in that way. We'll see, and then head home and brew some wine.